was born with biliary atresia. I had my Kasai when I was 3 months old, and as I grew up, I had to do a lot of exams and visit the hospital for a big amount of time. As I get older, I had again a Kasai when I was 18 years old, and things was getting better, but then I had a lot of cholangitis, the one after the other. So my condition started to go downhill, so I had to move to London for about a year and a half, where I had my transplant when I was 22 years old. And now after my transplant, everything's going well. I have some ups and downs, but it's good. I think one of the biggest problems when growing up with the condition that in Cyprus I was the fourth child having it, so it was difficult to speak with someone else that have the same thing, and like my childhood growing up, and also having to do my transplant during COVID in London, so in a different country with no family, so that was a bit difficult. I think one of the biggest challenges is to be able to understand what your disease is, and to be able to get older with knowing and respect what you have. I think some changes that it's good to be changed, it's to have a better communication between doctors and the patients, and also with doctors, with family of the patient at any age, because it's important to have someone with you when you visit your doctor. And also the bit of the transition, it's good to have the two doctors meet each other and speak, and not only for the first time, throughout the years, because maybe there's something to share with them.